Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum. We continue on revision week 17, number 4C. Okay, for the left hand side, we have cos one function only, so tak perlu product rule. Okay, for the right hand side, we have two functions. The first function is 4x. Second function is sin y. So ini darab, so perlukan product rule. Okay, untuk differentiate trigo, we make the formula. Okay, differentiate trigo, differentiate cos, dapat negative sign. Okay, tapi sabar. Jangan differentiate lagi. Sebab sebelah kanan ini perlu buat product rule. So, kita tulis dulu dia punya u equals to 4x. U prime equals to 4. V equals to sin y. V prime. Okay, tengok nota, tengok formula, differentiate sign, we will get positive cos. Angle remain the same, and then don't forget to differentiate angle. Our angle is y, differentiate y, we get dy over dx. Okay, so this one is for the right hand side. Okay, then the differentiate for the left hand side. Differentiate cos, we will get negative sign. Angle remain the same, 2x plus y. And then last but not least, multiply differentiate angle. Differentiate 2x, we get 2. Differentiate y, we get dy over dx. Equals to, apply product rule, 4x cos y. Dy over dx plus 4 sin y. Okay, so dah differentiate. Next step, we are going to make dy dx at the left hand side only. Okay. Tengok dy dx kita yang ini dalam bracket, so we have to expand first. Negative 2 sin 2x plus y minus sin 2x plus y dy over dx equals to 4 cos y dy over dx plus 4 sin y. Okay, so dy dx sekarang dah single, dah kat luar dah. So we are going to bring the term to the left. Negative sin 2x plus y dy over dx minus 4 cos y dy over dx equals to 4 sin y plus 2 sin 2x plus y. Okay, take out dy dx, dy over dx negative sin 2x plus y minus 4 cos y equals to 4 sin y plus 2 sin 2x plus y. Okay, and then dy over dx equals to 4 and 2, we take out 2. We have 2 sin y plus sin 2x plus y. Okay, and then our denominator will be negative sin 2x plus y minus 4 cos y. Okay, so done with 4. See you on next video. Bye-bye.